bird for Taco Tuesday. All I got is a secret lucky block. So yeah. Oh, he's finding some festive lucky blocks. So I need to do this. I'm gonna open it right now. Damn, bro. W lucky blocks. W early bird. Right, I'm just gonna get these. Oh my god, the shape. Curse W. Okay. So time to open. Let's open, guys, and let's see what we get. Oh, Kakeka, Love Hat, Love Core. It's bad. I got another Kake hat love thing. Might if I get another on my hat. I'll love Soho. Yeah. Opening this door and hopefully I get lucky. Aw. That's 2 lucky blocks. Oh damn. Alright guys, that's all for early bird today, and I'll see you when I open this lucky block. See you, bye.